In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Navy Federal branches and ATMs with ease. If you're a member or considering becoming one, knowing where you can access these services can make your banking experience seamless. Let's go through the process step by step so you're fully equipped the next time you need to locate that branch or ATM nearby. To start, open up your browser on either your desktop or mobile device. You're going to navigate to the Navy Federal Credit Union's official website. Once there, look for the Branches and ATMs section. This is your primary landing page where the Locator tool lives. There's also another route you can take to get there. Visit.navyfederal.org. Both paths lead you to the same intuitive tool designed to help you locate what you need. Now that we're on the Locator page, you're going to enter your specific location details. This can be done by typing in your zip code, your city name, or even your state. This input will help the site narrow down the options to show you the closest branches and ATMs available in your locality. It's incredibly user-friendly this way. Additionally, if you're comfortable and your device settings allow it, you can enable location access. This will let the website automatically pinpoint your vicinity and provide you with results without the need to type in any information. Moving on, you'll notice that the tool is quite versatile. It allows you to filter your searches. You can decide whether you're looking specifically for a branch or an ATM. This is especially useful if you're in immediate need of a particular service, such as consulting at a branch or withdrawing cash from an ATM. This simple filtering process ensures that your results are tailored to fit exactly what you're searching for. Once you've input your details and set any filters, you'll have a couple of viewing options. You can choose to see the results as a list of addresses or check out a map view, which gives you a visual layout of where each branch or ATM is located relative to your position. This can be particularly handy if you're planning a visit and want to figure out the most convenient path or area to head to. For deeper insights, go ahead and click on individual locations. By doing this, you'll see more detailed information such as operating hours, specific services provided, and of course, the exact address. This is useful to ensure that the facility meets your needs before you make your way there. And there you have it, a straightforward and efficient method to find Navy Federal branches and ATMs wherever you might be. Whether you're at home or on the go, this tool offers the flexibility and reliability to manage your banking needs with confidence. Thank you for watching, and I hope you can now locate your nearest Navy Federal branch or ATM swiftly and without any hassle.